Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the square root of non-perfect square root numbers. So let's start with finding the square root of 150 and then we'll take one more example. For finding the square root of 150, we'll find the factors of 150. You can use any method, the division method or the multiplication method for finding the factors. Here I am using the division method. So we'll divide 150 by prime numbers. As 150 is even number, we'll divide it by 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now 75 is an odd number. We'll divide it by next prime number 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 15 and 3 times 5 is 15. Now 25 is divisible by number 5. 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 is a prime number. It is divisible by number 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So we got the factors of 150 as 2 times, 3 times, 5 times 5. Now for finding the square root of 150, we are going to take the square root on both the sides. Square root of 150 will be square root of 2 times, 3 times, 5 times 5. So square root of 150 is, in exponents form, we can write it as 2 times 3 times 5 square. And as there is a square under the square root sign, this square 5 square gets cancelled with the square root sign and this 5 gets out of the square root sign. So this is 5 times square root of 2 times 3, which equals 5 root of 6. The square root of 150 is 5 times square root of 6. This is how we find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. So square root of 150 is 5 times root 6. Now let's take one more example and find the square root of 112. Square root of 112. So first we'll find the factors of 112. Let's divide it by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can divide 56 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is remainder. 2 times 8 is 16. Again we can divide it by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 7 is 14. And 7 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So the factors of 112 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Or to find the square root, we are going to take square root on both the sides. So square root of 112 is square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Or in exponent form, we can write it as 2 square times 2 square times 2 square times 7. I'm writing it in terms of square so that we can cancel out the square root and square sign. So we can so that we can, I'm writing 2 square instead of 2 raised to power 4 because number is in the square root sign and it will be easy for us to cancel out the square root sign with the square number. This square root sign gets cancelled with 2 square and this 2 square. Both the 2's will come out of the square root sign. I have 7 under the square root. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.